everyone and welcome to my channel Listos Cámara a Cocinar. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a roast beef and chicken in the grill. Here are the ingredients and the procedure. Use the meat of your choice. The pepper is ground in a molcajete, but in case you don't have one, you can buy it already ground. The meat is seasoned with previously ground pepper and sea salt. The chicken is seasoned with rosemary, mustard, Tajin chili, and sea salt. The fire is lit with a napkin covered in edible oil. Our fire will be ready when the coal is red hot and no longer burns. For the drunken sauce, add the fat from the meat, then the other ingredients, and when everything is cooked, pour the beer. At this moment we place the meat on the grill and the green tomatillo for the sauce. The meat turns when it releases its juice and according to the desired term. The chicken is placed on the fire and it takes approximately 45 minutes for a complete cooking. For the tomatillo sauce, place all the ingredients in the molcajete and grind.